Welcome to the Mu Alpha Theta induction ceremony for the North Hunterdon High School chapter of the Math Honor Society. Hello, new Mu Alpha Theta members and family members who are watching this induction ceremony. Being inducted into this Math Honor Society is an honor and a result of hard work, determination, resilience, and passion in the field of mathematics. The criteria was rigorous. All candidates had to receive at least an A- or higher in previous honors math courses, and is currently on track to receive at least an A- this year in an honors math course. This group of inductees should be truly proud of their achievements. I know that I am, and so are all the math teachers you've had at North Hunterdon. Next year, we will meet on a regular basis to discuss our passion for math. We will also work with the North Hunterdon community through peer tutoring, participating in STEM programs, creating visual displays of relevant math topics, and competing in mathematical competitions. I look forward to working with all of my new inductees. I know that it will be a terrific year. Mu Alpha Theta, the National High School and Two-Year College Mathematics Honor Society, was formed in 1957 at the University of Oklahoma. We are dedicated to inspiring a keen interest in mathematics, developing strong scholarship in the subject, and promoting the enjoyment of mathematics in high school and two-year college students. Currently, more than 124,000 students are Mu Alpha Theta members at more than 2,633 schools in the United States and in 23 foreign countries. And now, a message from our current officers, President Angelica Chin, Vice President Shaylin Marks, and Secretary Renee Soika.
Candidates, you're being presented for initiation into Mu Alpha Theta, the National High School and Two-Year College Mathematics Honor Society. It is an honor to be selected for membership in this organization, which has over 2,100 chapters across the United States and in many foreign countries. Each of you meets the requirements for membership, including work done with distinction in college preparatory mathematics. The principal purpose of Mu Alpha Theta is to stimulate a deeper interest in mathematics. Thus, it is desirable that you be given some brief instruction that may encourage you to consider the deeper meaning and historical significance of mathematics. I speak of the oldest history of mathematics, the arithmetic, trigonometry, number theory, and astronomy of the Babylonians and Egyptians, is far-reaching and contributing much to progress in the ancient world. From calculating the circumference of the earth to the building of the pyramids, man began to apply mathematics. It took many years for the concept of the number zero to develop, but it made possible the algorithms for addition and multiplication, which became important tools in human progress. Greek geometry involved a new emphasis on the power of reason and served as a foundation for philosophy. Archimedes found ways to determine areas and volumes and used mathematics to engineer machines. Next came the age of exploration and enlightenment.
With the study of algebra and equations, logarithms, and probability, humans found a new language so they could understand the world around them as never before. With one overpowering stroke of genius, a young man in his early 20s, Sir Isaac Newton, invented calculus, discovered the law of gravity, the three laws of motion, and how mathematics could predict the very orbits of the planets. With this mathematics, mankind had the tools needed to discover and explain, and a way to develop the technology that would bring man to a new age of scientific understanding. We learned from the likes of Descartes, Fermat, Leibniz, Riemann, and Fourier. Theory from Galois, Cauchy, Maxwell, and Hilbert. The names may not all be familiar, but the results have impacted each and every one of us today. From the mathematics of quantum mechanics to the theory of relativity, man learned of matter and light. John von Neumann, another leader in the new mathematics, developed game theory, merging concepts in strategy with mathematics principles. He also developed the background theory for the invention of digital computers. The applications of 20th century higher mathematics have radically changed virtually every aspect of our lives. In the physical and life sciences, new developments have contributed to understanding areas as diverse as mass-energy relationships to population growth. Business and economics have benefited from new theories in statistics and group analysis. Mathematics and medical technology and communications abound. Applications of new kinds of mathematics have arisen. Knot theory is being used to explain DNA structure, while topology attempts to understand the shape of our universe. Perhaps the most important development attributed to higher math is the field of computer science and the development of user-friendly computers, with its far-reaching applications to virtually every aspect of our lives. Mathematics has taken a large step from its role in the past decades as an obscure mental exercise of the few into a position of prominence in modern life, making our world both more comfortable and interesting.
It is time now to consider the future. The mathematics of the 21st century promise mankind even more. Telecommunications without wires, words and pictures transmitted via algebraic codes. The exploration described by the previous speakers represents only the beginning of our understanding of the mathematical world. Rather than developing at a constant rate, discoveries build upon one another, each leading to more innovative theories. Our knowledge grows exponentially, and its applications grow wider in scope. In summary, the mathematics of the future rely increasingly upon man's ability to imagine and create, as well as his ability to reason. Mankind awaits new mathematical and scientific theories to complete the work of the great men and women who have come before. Just as mathematical principles and research have helped us understand so much, we anticipate further research and development to allow us greater understanding of the world around us. It is with proud recognition of your skill and interest in mathematics that we welcome you to Mu Alpha Theta. May we someday add your name to the list of great mathematicians who have helped the world advance. And now, I'd like to present to you our newest members of the North Hunterdon chapter of Mu Alpha Theta. Amelia Boyd, Varun Belusu, Robert Basciano, Andrew Fielding, Vikram Kumar, Isabel Lading, Matthew Lifshitz, Melanie Lloyd, Ritesh Manikandan, Brendan Mahaney, Samuel Montemiro, Emma Monroe, Isha Petlola, Christopher Pittman, Chi Ricketts, Maxwell Romano, Olivia Van Doren, Daniel Wu. Thank you for watching. Your certificate will be handed out at our first meeting next school year. I wish you all a really happy and healthy remainder of your school year and summer vacation. Until next year, guys.